What up, guys? We're back and we have a wubble bubble.
A wubble bubble? What's that?
It's a thing. It's a thing. It flies up in the air and you pump it. Here's the back. It shows you how to do it. It shows you to pump it.
Wait, does it come with a pump?
Yeah,
Oh, that's good.
right there. And we're gonna open this thing and see how it looks like. That's the pump.
Lubrication.
Lubrication.
It says lubricant. Bubble lubricant.
What's that for? To lubricate the wubble bubble?
Does this thing need batteries?
Yeah.
There's an on and off switch. Oh my!
It's smaller than I thought it was going to be. I guess it blows up into a huge thing, right?
And it feels rubbery.
Yeah, looks like, Marcus, we need a screwdriver. Okay, Marcus, so we need to lubricate the hole of the ball and then stick this thing in here.
Oh, there's the hole. We have the air working.
So what do we do next, Marcus?
Let's pump the wubble balloon.
Alright, so here, insert this piece into the wobble balloon. Marcus, I think we're going to have to use some of this lube here. Now you just squeeze a little bit out.
Nope.
That's oil, bro. Do you think anybody's going to watch this on YouTube?
Probably one. I think.
1 million?
No, not 1 million.
I
Probably
think
a
it's
lot.
already in, no?
Alright, so they finally got it on there, guys. And now it's time to connect the pump.
3, 2, 1.
Oh boy, it's working.
Wow.
We're gonna blow this thing to 100 inches. Right, Marky?
No, it'll pop.
Well, how big is this ball? Isn't that 30 inches? That he's sitting on? Dude, it's not gonna pop. It's like a wobble bubble. It's not supposed to. Whoa, it feels so squishy. Look at that.
Wait, let me check if
Oh, it vibrates.
let me check if it's bigger than the ball.
Cellulite.
Dude, it wiggles so funny. Oh, that's like Maxie's water ball, remember?
Yeah.
Maxie, your water ball is about, it's gonna be that size. Okay, Marky, what's the update?
I don't know. I think that's enough.
Think
It's
that-
way bigger than that ball now.
It is getting kind of big.
I think that's enough. Oh no, it's already enough.
It's still jiggly.
I guess we could always pump it some more later
I think this is enough for the video.
Okay, let's
for the video. There's no video, what are you talking about?
3, 2. Wait, let me try it. Mine.
Oh, there it goes. And there's the little poopy. Man, it's stuck to my finger. Oh, there it goes. Whoops, a little crooked, but whatever. The patch is
Wait, it
on.
can never come off?
No, it can come off. It just keeps it from, I guess, blowing air out. It looks like a big, like, bubble.
It's bubbly.
And it bounces so nice. Look how good it bounces.
Whoa.
The wobble bubble's going everywhere.
Whoa. That's hilarious.
Try to sit on it. All right, Maxie's gonna sit on it. Come on, Max. Let's see. Isn't that working, bro? I guess he thinks it bounces like this one, but it doesn't.
That's funny. What was that sound? Look at Marcus.
Marcus, are you scared?
He's
Seems like you have a blood.
It's definitely blown up a lot on the edges especially. So Mark, what do you think about the wobble bubble?
It's fun.
Yeah, it's so jiggly. Alright Marcus, well thanks for showing us the wobble bubble.
You're welcome. Thanks for watching guys, and we will see you later. Peace.